Hey, mambo vipi? Hujambo, happy new year. Heri ya mwaka mpya. Welcome back to Learn Swahili with Victor. Today we're gonna learn some travel phrases. And we're gonna learn a little bit about how to make directions in Swahili, how to make directions using Swahili language, the way you can direct someone using Swahili in Swahili. And by the last lesson, we learned about how to make greetings in Swahili. When you travel, you know how to greet someone. But today we're gonna concentrate more on how to make directions in Swahili. It's simple. We're gonna learn a few phrases on how to make directions in Swahili. Making directions in Swahili, there are some phrases that you have to use. It's just normal and very simple to use. Here are some of the phrases you can use when you're making directions in Swahili language. For example, if you want to say turn right. In Swahili, you can say pinda kulia. Or you can say kata kulia. Kulia means right. Pinda means turn. Pinda kulia, turn right. Pinda kulia, turn right, kulia. Then if we want to say turn left, you say pinda kushoto. Kushoto means left. Pinda kushoto, turn left. Pinda kushoto, turn left. Or you can say kata kushoto. Then nenda moja kwa moja, that is go straight. Nenda moja kwa moja. Straight means moja kwa moja. Nenda means go forward, mbele. So we say nenda moja kwa moja mbele, that is go straight forward. Go straight, that is nenda moja kwa moja. Then rudi nyuma, that is turn back. Rudi nyuma, turn back. Rudi nyuma, turn back. Back means nyuma. Back, nyuma, that is nyuma. Nyuma is back. Turn, okay, you can say rudi nyuma, turn back. Rudi nyuma. Nenda mbele. Nenda is go. So nenda mbele is forward. So say nenda mbele, you say go forward. Nenda mbele, go forward. Then also you can say stop, which means simama. Maybe you are in the car or you're in the taxi, you want to say stop. You say simama. Stop there. Simama pale. You see, there's some of the directions, the phrases that you can use in making direction. Pinda kulia, turn right. Pinda kushoto, turn left. Nenda moja kwa moja, go straight. Rudi nyuma, turn back. Nenda mbele, go forward. Simama, stop. Also, here are some of the phrases or the sentence that you can use. For example, you can say ninaenda, I am going. Ninaenda means I am going. Then you say, where are you going? Ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. Ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. You see? Can you repeat it? Ninaenda, say ninaenda. Ninaenda means I am going. Enda means go. Ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. I'm going to the airport. Ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. I'm going to the airport. Ninaenda sokoni. I'm going to the market. Ninaenda sokoni. I'm going to the market. Ninaenda hospitalini. I'm going to the hospital. You see, word like that. So you say ninaenda. So we say ninaenda if you are referring I am. Tunaenda, we are going. Tunaenda, we are going. Unaenda means you are going. Unaenda means you are going. Anaenda, he or she is going. Anaenda, he or she is going. Wanaenda, they are going to the market. Wanaenda sokoni. Wanaenda sokoni. They are going to the market. Wanaenda uwanja wa ndege. They are going to the airport. Okay? There is ninatoka, I am from. Ninatoka, I am from the airport. Ninatoka uwanja wa ndege. I am from the airport. Ninatoka uwanja wa ndege. I am from the market. Ninatoka sokoni. I am from the hospital. Ninatoka hospitalini. Tunatoka. Tunatoka. We are from. So to is a prefix that represent we. So tunatoka. Tunatoka. We are from. Unatoka. You are from. Anatoka. He or she is from. Wanatoka. They are from. Okay? So the one that's the you can put the area that you are going or the area that you are from. If you are from the hospital, you say ninatoka hospitalini. If we say ninaenda hospitalini, if you're going to the airport, or airport in Swahili means uwanja wa ndege. So if you want to go to the airport, say ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. Ninaenda sokoni. Ninaenda supermarket. You see something like that. Okay, let's see. There are some of the sentences, example of the sentences using all these phrases. Okay, you can see this one. Ninaenda sokoni. I'm going to the market. Ninaenda sokoni. I'm going to the market. Tunaenda sokoni. We are going to the market. Tunaenda sokoni. We are going to the market. Okay? Tunatoka hospitalini. Tunatoka hospitalini. We are from the hospital. Tunatoka hospitalini. We are from the hospital. Ninatoka hospitalini. I am from the hospital. Ninatoka hospitalini. Okay? You can see, ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. I am going to the airport. Ninaenda uwanja wa ndege. I am going to the airport. Okay? Those are some of the travel phrases that you can use when you are trying to make directions to someone. When you are trying to make directions to someone, these are very important phrases that you need to know. Okay? Asante sana for learning with me Swahili. Continue subscribing on my channel. Continue learning more on Swahili. I'll be giving you more phrases, more talking phrases, more videos, recorded videos about Swahili classes. If you want to master Swahili, stay tuned on my channel. Stay tuned on my pages. Thank you.